taking our next lesson, which is the third lesson. We have talked on how to check the oil in your engine. We have talked about how to check the water in the radiator, and those things you have to check them. So we're still on the topic, things to check in your car before taking off. So today what I'm going to teach you, we are going to study what we call the brake fluid. The brake fluid is we work with the braking system of the car. So this is the structure of the engine, and here this is what we call the brake fluid. The brake fluid, the oil that we use in the braking system of the car is what we call the hydraulic braking system. So the hydraulic is what we use to put in the brake fluid. Don't take engine oil and go and put in the brake fluid. Don't take water and go and put into the brake fluid. What we put in the brake fluid is what we call, we put hydraulic. We put hydraulic in the braking fluid cover. So we make sure that when you want to put the hydraulic in the brake fluid, in the brake cylinder, you just have to, first of all, you will see there written there the brake fluid. Then you just have to open the cup. You will see maximum and you see minimum. You make sure you fill in the hydraulic in here. It should be at the level of maximum. When you put the hydraulic, you just have to enter in your car. You go into the brake pedal and make sure you pump the brakes so that the hydraulic can get into the car. So you have to make sure you go in and pump the brakes so that the hydraulic can enter the brake pipe. So that is the hydraulic, that is the braking system. So it is very important to always check your brake fluid, because brake can fail, and if brake fail, it means that there is not oil, there's not hydraulic in your braking fluid. So you have to take care all the time. Always check your brake fluid before you go. We have the brake fluid and we have the light. The brake fluid has the light that is always coming on your dashboard. So when we are studying light, we will come to study what we call the brake fluid. So you have to take good note of that. So question that may come concerning the braking system of the car, they may ask you, what liquid did they put into the braking system of the car? We call it hydraulic. Hydraulic is the liquid that we put into the cylinder, that we put into the braking system. You have to take note of that. You have to take good note of that. So what is the liquid again? Hydraulic. We put hydraulic fluid in the hydraulic braking system of the car. But concerning big vehicles like trucks use what we call, they have their own air, we call them, they have the air braking system. They have their own air braking system. That is why they have to steam the car and allow the car for the air to get full before they can get moved. Because if the air is not in the air port of the truck will not take off, because the brakes will be binding. So we need enough air to enter into the port so that the lining will open for the tire to move. So you have to take good note of that. Always check your brake fluid. So thank you guys for watching this one. So the next things I will be teaching you is what we call the steering oil. So steering oil is also very important to check in your car, because